Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly cleanse the skin using an oil cleanser. This is definitely one of my most requested tutorials, but in order to really benefit from this method of cleansing, it has to be done properly. This is the most gentle form of cleansing, the most thorough form of cleansing. Why I love it so much is because it's really able to restore balance in the skin without shifting the pH, without compromising the skin's integrity. It doesn't strip the skin. It doesn't shift the acid mantle, which is the protective barrier. The first and most important step in your home care regimen is cleansing, but it's really often neglected and not done properly. So let's get started. What you'll need is a washcloth and your oil cleanser, and of course some water. I love the Best Skin Ever Seabuckthorn. This is definitely my holy grail product, my favorite product by far. It does wonders not only for my skin, but for my clients and also for many of you who have purchased it through us from all over the world. I hear just such amazing feedback. I see it on my clients' skin, and it really, really is a game changer. So if you want to check it out, this is an amazing cleanser. But now I'm going to bring you closer and I'm going to show you exactly how to oil cleanse your skin. On dry hands, dry skin, you're going to apply 4 pumps of your favorite oil cleanser onto your hands and begin to massage your face, really softening and loosening up your pores. You're going to warm up the oil in your hands before you apply it. At this point, you're going to press it into your skin. This should feel really nice. Take this time to relax. Take some deep breaths. Start to work about your face in circular motions. This part is very intuitive. There are no rules. You just don't want to be pulling down. We're increasing circulation, so you should really start to see your skin pink up a little bit, which is great. And you're going to want to focus on areas of concern that are prone to congestion, such as the cheek area or around your chin, nose. Don't forget your neck. This oil is amazing to pull out all the dirt and debris and unnecessary unbeneficial oils, but leaving the good beneficial oils in your skin to nourish your cells at the same time. So there's no stripping. At this point, you're going to take a washcloth. You're going to wrap it around your fingers, put it under warm water, wring it, and then slowly start to remove all the oil from your face. Just be gentle. Be sure not to scratch the skin. Go nice and slow. Over here, I'm using an organic hemp cloth, which is really gentle on the skin and also effective in removing all that gunk. If you wear makeup, this is definitely that step for you to remove the majority of the makeup before you move on to the next step. You're going to flip the washcloth over, wring it under warm water once again. Take your oil and directly pump about 3 times onto the washcloth. And start to move about the face in circular motions. This is the key, very, very important part in successfully oil cleansing the skin, especially with this oil. So circular motions, make sure to pass every part of your face, including the neck. You're going to take another corner, wring it under warm water once again. And then once again, you're going to take your oil and apply about 3 to 4 pumps and repeat. Work about the face in circular motions. As you can see, I'm using a good amount of oil. Don't be afraid of that. to successfully extract all the debris, the dirt, all the unnecessary oils from the skin, you have to really make sure you thoroughly, properly cleanse the skin. So as you can see, again, I am repeating this step, taking another corner of the washcloth, wringing it under warm water, applying the pumps directly onto the washcloth, and moving about the face in circular motions once again until I completely feel clean. If this part is not done properly, you will notice little bumps, you will begin to clog up. Your skin should start to really clear up in terms of congestion and blackheads when doing this properly. At this point, just wet my face, splash some cool water. And that is how you properly oil cleanse the skin. I'll be sure to link the specific product in the description below, and I would love to hear what you guys would like me to do next. See you in the next video.